Casey here from Freespirit. We're going to do a little tips and trick video here on the ReadyLight on some of the more frequently asked questions. First thing you do when you get the ReadyLight, of course, is you're going to make sure it's charged up or get it in the charged position there. You're going to use the AC charger, which is this guy here. Always make sure that this is plugged into the box really well. We've seen that this has been slipped out a little bit and you're not getting it charged. So the main thing is anytime you are charging this light, it's our probably number one question. It's not charging, it's been plugged in overnight. You always have to make sure that the on-off switch is in the on position when charging it, AC, DC, or solar. That's the number one thing, and just making sure that switch is in the on position. You're gonna see that light back here, the LED light, it's gonna go from kind of a flickering to more of a constant red when it's charging, and it's gonna go green when it's fully charged. So that's the number one thing on that. Using the solar panel, to charge your light, depending on, weather, conditions, where you're at, on your battery life. This could take anywhere from, 16 to 24 hours of constant light. And you always want to make sure that you're kind of chasing the light if you're using the solar for the charging on that one. So once you have the light charged, light function. So on the top light here is for your main. You're going to hold the button down for at least 3 seconds, and then it's going to get it in the high mode there. You can also click it for low, click it again for more of an emergency mode. And you'll also see this when the battery is getting low, but I like to say, use it for the emergency mode of it. Hold the button down to cycle it all the way off. Same thing with the pods. The pods are magnetically, held on, and that's how they also charge on the unit. You can also charge these pods with a micro USB port if you're kind of wanting to charge more of an individual light, but it makes sense just to put it on the base there. Same thing for that. Hold the button down. You got a high, a low, a flashlight, and then you got kind of an emergency strobe there as well. Again, hold the button down and turn it off. When you're storing your ReadyLight, I would store it with the switch in the off position. We recommend every 3 to 4 months, you're gonna pull the ReadyLight out, switch the switch to the on position, and then go ahead and just make sure that light's kind of juiced back up, just to kind of keep those batteries topped off. You have 5 lithium batteries inside here, so you always want to make sure that it's charged up, ready to rock and roll for your next adventure, backyard barbecue, or just kind of working around the garage or house. So let us know if you have any questions on that. We just wanted to kind of do a little quick video there for you. So let us know if you have any questions. Thanks, guys.